Alright, guys, so today we are going to be looking at four tools that can help us increase our traffic rate on Facebook. So let's say you're looking for how to generate traffic, organically or even paid on Facebook. I'm going to share with you four tools that you can use right from today to increase your traffic generation. Number one is you want to start considering creating Facebook Reels. I told you guys, Reels are becoming the hot cake on Facebook, and if you really want to increase your traffic level, you want to generate traffic here from Facebook, you need to learn how to create Reels, because obviously Facebook now is pushing out so many Reels so that people can stay more on the platform. So you want to take an advantage of this thing and you want to use it for your business. So you want to start thinking of creating Facebook Reels. This video is just going to be a very quick one because I feel so many people are not doing Facebook marketing the right way, and that is the reason why they are not getting results. So if you want to be among the top 2%, top 2% people who get result from Facebook marketing, right, you need to consider creating reels for your business. So it doesn't really matter what your business is into. Maybe digital marketing, maybe you sell food, you sell shoes, whatsoever thing. You can start creating reels, all right, and start pushing it on Facebook. And I tell you, Facebook will push it to more people, and more people seeing your reels. It basically means that more traffic generation is coming for you. Do you get that now? So you need to make sure you start considering creating Facebook Reels. All right, Facebook Reels, and now the hot cake. Many of you take your time, you spend time going through Facebook Reels, and I tell you, if you want to increase your traffic gen, please make sure you start thinking of how to start creating your own what reels so that they can be seen. Facebook can push it out to more people see your reels, and more people come for your product. So take note of that. Number one is Facebook Reel, and number two is also known as the Facebook Marketplace. So many of us make use of this, and while other persons don't make use of this, I tell you, Facebook Marketplace is one of the surefire way you can basically sell your digital product. Sorry, your physical product rather, your physical product. It means that you're dealing with physical goods, and you can get people to see whatever thing you're selling here on Facebook. Many of you don't know that Facebook is actually not restricted to certain age, right? For instance, my grandma has a Facebook account, my grandpa does, also my mom, my dad, everybody's on Facebook, but not everybody can be on Instagram, not everybody can be on Twitter. I tell you, Facebook is one of the perfect place you can basically sell anything or generate traffic from, and that is why so many brands, so many big businesses are making use of Facebook, and you too, you want to do the same. So let's say you got a physical goods that you want to sell. Maybe you want to sell a car, you want to sell a slippers, you want to sell a bag, whatever thing you want to sell, you should start making use of the Facebook Marketplace. You can see so many people are listing, all right, they are listing their goods here, and you can see many of them are telling you the prices already, and so many of them are just going to bring you to their DM so you guys can discuss price. So you can start thinking of how to start making use of the Facebook Marketplace to your advantage, because Facebook is also pushing up the marketplace, and if you're smart enough, you can take advantage of this, and you can start using this to pull out real traffic for your business. So you don't have to worry about paying, you don't have to worry about sponsored ads and all like that. You can basically make use of those free tools that Facebook is offering you to get to reach more people, to get to reach more customers, more people who are interested in your business. So you want to make sure you start considering the Facebook Marketplace. And the third place you want to start focusing on is the Facebook groups. All right, many of you don't know how powerful the Facebook group is, and it is very necessary that if you are thinking of generating traffic either for your website, or maybe you want traffic for your email list and all of that, you need to consider creating a Facebook group. All right, you want to build a cohort where you can gather as many people as you can. Facebook also is pushing out the Facebook group, because many of you who tend to stay more on Facebook, you do well by going through some certain groups where you find some certain stories or certain things that you basically enjoy. So if you are so interested in generating traffic, all right, I mean organic traffic for your business, you need to consider creating a Facebook group. Create a Facebook group related to your business, and you can start educating people, bringing so many people into your group. And once Facebook starts seeing a huge activity in your group, they by themselves would help you push out your group to more people, and more people coming your way. It means already you are generating traffic from your business. So you want to consider creating a Facebook group related to your business, and you want to start providing informative content so that sorry for that, so that the algorithm would basically get to notice that, right, this is super activity going up on this group, and you want to use that advantage to get in more people. All right, so Facebook group is also one super fireway that you can use in generating traffic for your business in nothing. And this is the last one but not the least, it is known as the Facebook ads. Many of you basically know of Facebook sponsored ads. This is where you pay Facebook themselves to help you promote whatever thing you want to promote to the right audiences. And I tell you that Facebook ads is actually one of the big way so many brands use in acquiring traffic. But for those of you who are just getting started, I really recommend that you start with organic traffic first. All right, you start and see how it is going before you opt in for the Facebook ads. Many people who don't get results from Facebook ads, it's basically because you guys don't understand how the algorithm works. You just think you just pay Facebook money and you put out one picture out there and boom, you think the traffic would come. No, you might do it wrongly and the traffic might not come, and Facebook has taken your money already. So you need to make sure you consider starting up organically. And I showed you 3 ways you can do the organic traffic generation. Number one is by creating Facebook reels. Very easy. With your smartphone you can do this. Create reels every day, post it on Facebook, alright, and you're gonna start building engagement, and from there you can channel that engagement to whatever place you want them to be in, maybe in your email list, or maybe you want them to go over to your YouTube channel, maybe you want them to go over to your website, whatever place. You can start creating reels, and that reel is just gonna be like the attractor, the hook for you to start getting more people coming to your business, right? Number two place I talked about organically is the Facebook marketplace. You're paying Facebook no money here. You're paying Facebook no money. All you have to do is to list your product here accurately with nice pictures, nice description, and Facebook is going to help you push it when people search for such terms. So, should in case you search for cars, you can see so many cars are being displayed. So, the same thing for you. If you search for bags, you see so many bags are being displayed. So, you need to make sure you consider using this very well so that you can get the best result out of it. And again, it's the Facebook group. I love Facebook group a lot because many of my money has come from the Facebook group. I create groups related to different niches that I am into. I provide educative content, teach people things for free, and obviously I get their contact information such as their email address and their phone numbers, and I can upsell to these guys. I can actually sell my course for bigger money, in as much as they are on my Facebook group. Alright, it's so easy for me to reach out to them. So you want to also consider creating a Facebook group if you're looking for how you generate traffic organically. I'm telling you this, guys, if you do this for a week, you're gonna be seeing huge result in your traffic level. You're gonna be seeing that you are moving, because Facebook also is going to be promoting your Facebook group. I actually remember the last time I promoted my own Facebook group. No, Facebook did, and I have close to 1,000. And though I've not been consistent, but it's to show you that Facebook is also interested in you creating a group and educating, bringing more people, make people stay on the platform. So once they notice such algorithm, all right, they push out your group to more people, and more people who join your group, it actually means you're getting more traffic for yourself. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you're a digital marketer, you're SSME guy, you do social media marketing agency, you sell whatsoever thing you sell, all right, whatsoever thing you do, all right, whatsoever business you're into, you can create a Facebook group. And I tell you, so many people are interested in that. So you can create a Facebook group and you can start at least 2 posts every single day, and I tell you, you're gonna be seeing people coming to your Facebook group, and also Facebook is going to be helping you push out your group to more and more people. So if you have tried all those 3 methods and you're seeing what good result from it, and you would like to amplify, that is why you can make use of the Facebook ads. This is actually going to help you boost out and reach out to more people. And many of you don't know this. Please, I would love to say this: the Facebook advertisement is not an initiator, all right, it is an accelerator. All right, it means that Facebook ads not being an initiator, is that you already have something that is working, and you now use the Facebook ads to push it out to more and more people. And that is one secret many people don't know when it comes to running the Facebook ads. You guys just think put Facebook out there, put money, and boom boom. No, you might be burning your money. All right, so the Facebook ad is not an initiator, it is an accelerator. It helps you speed up the process. So you find something that is working, and the Facebook ads will help you push it out. So if you don't have something that is working and you apply the Facebook ads, you might not be getting result. Okay, so many people don't know this, and that is why you guys are not getting result from your Facebook ads. So apply these things I just said, and I'll tell you that you're gonna be seeing what an increased level in your traffic rate. So if you actually got value from this video, please make sure you subscribe and also smash the like button in appreciation. And I would also love to take your comments. Maybe you have questions, you can let me know in the description box below. And If you would like to reach out to me personally, I'm going to be dropping my contact address down below every of my videos right now, so that anybody who wishes to reach out to me can basically reach out to me. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video featuring you how to start creating Facebook reels that can help you pull out more traffic from Facebook. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe, all right, and turn on the notification bell icon, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.